Hello everybody, Brian here for Matlabs.net. Today I'm going to show you, no different than I showed just another previous video, how to call Matlab, or from within Matlab, how to call a Java jar file. Previous video I showed you how to call a .NET assembly right from within Matlab here, using now Java. Now this is a decent little tutorial, it's very simple. Not going to get into how to do all this stuff, but I'll give you the link here. If you download this jar file, this is, for those that don't know, a Java archive file that contains basically the source code of this little guy. It kind of looks like this, just basically a hello world, simple stuff. So you compile it, turns it into a class, and then you can archive it into a Java jar file, or jar. So let me show you how that works. First, as it can get a little wonky with Java, first you need to add the, before I forget, it's assumed that you download that file, that jar file, and you enter, or you place it into the Matlab root work folder. Let's see if I have that. Yeah, so we have Matlab release 2004A, that's the root work. Simple. And I've got the Java file that lies there, or resides there, and there's a source and class file. Right? Simple. Okay, so next, what we do is we got to add the jar file to the class path within Matlab. That's simple. Do it that way. There you go. Warning, we've already done it before. So, actually, I could probably do this. Let me just show you. Add path doesn't work, or let me just clear all the references, anything Java. Okay, so let me just do that again. So there you go. Now I can show you the class path. There you go, the dynamic path of the hello world, or hello archive. Now, what we can do from this command line session within Matlab, we can call all the different references. This is really cool, because now I can call this class of Matlab hello world main, which is basically, we're calling, where is it? This guy right here, this method. So that's what we're going to call. There you go. It's going to print out hello world somewhere. There you go, hello world. And then what we can do from there is we can make references to instantiate that class and turn it in, or convert it into a Matlab object. So here's our workspace. See what I mean? That's pretty cool. Now also I can obviously execute these different methods here. So we got a get version and I think a set version. So let me just try that out. Get version 0. Do, I don't know, maybe this might return an error. Exception, improper version specified, which it did. Let's get another version, I guess, just following the steps here. Yay. Now let me just try a set version. So let me get the new version. Should be 1, I guess. There you go. Pretty cool. So you can do all this within Matlab, which is very powerful. You can develop your own Java jar files, and then archive, your archive files from within Java. Connect them from within Matlab. Now, where am I going with this? There's a couple of big advantages, not just with the DLLs and .NET assemblies, but with Java, obviously, Matlab. I can do this in Linux, no problem. I can do this on a Mac, no problem. So it's universal, write once, deploy anywhere, as Java original motto was. So it's very powerful. Just so people know, when it comes to my new systems, I can now have the ability to develop Matlab scripts and then have them directly call Java executables, namely something like In my case, maybe an exchange simulator, which I'm building actually. So these are the directions I'm going in. I just want to show this is the methodology I'm using. And I just wanted to show you that this is very, very possible. Hopefully this will help you out. Talk to you later.